up? It's your boy Magnificent, back here with your guitar interpretations, and today we're doing Willow by Taylor Swift. Alright, it's a pretty easy song and we're going to be playing this in basic chords. So just make sure your guitar's in standard tuning, and we're playing it with the following chords. So the chords for the chorus are G, okay? We're playing, let's go G, D, A minor. Okay, and then we go back to E minor. So, na 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 na, D, na na na, A minor, na 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 na, G, na na na, D, na na na, A minor, na na na, E minor. Okay, so that's down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. That's my strumming pattern, and muting the chords, the strings, yeah, and just strumming like that. And then for the verse is a little bit complicated. We're playing it like this. So this is your E minor, then to D, E minor again, D, E minor again, D, C, D, E minor, 1, E minor again, 2, then you repeat for the third time, E minor to D, and then C, D. Right, that's your verse. But if you want to play it like it was played on the song, you can strum once. So we're playing E minor, and then we go on our first string, and here we're gonna play 3, 2, 1. So that's 3, 2, open, 3, 2, open. Then you come back to 2. So 3, 2. So from 3 to 2, it's just a slide. You're not necessarily plucking twice. So that's 3, slide, open, and then back to 2. So that's right. So that's E minor, slide, open, 2, and then you go to D. And then for D, we're playing open. We're playing 2 to open. That's now a hammer off. Okay, so that's, see that? Right. So D, and then we go to 3rd fret of the 2nd string, and then back to open on our 1st string. Okay, so we're sliding 2 to open, then 3 on the 2nd fret, and then you come back to second fret of the 1st string. Oh, sorry, open off the 1st string. So that's 2, open, 3 on the 2nd, and then open. Okay, so E minor, that is your verse, okay? And then if you want to play it like I was that's 6. Okay, so 6, 4, 3, 1, 6, 4, 3, 1. Then we go to 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, 6, 4, 3, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. Instead of going to D, you can just slide your C, right, to phrase 3 to 5. That is pretty much the whole song, guys. If you're not familiar with the chords that I'm using, yeah, you can check out my chord video. There's a detailed illustration of the chords. And if you can't find it, just let me know. I will link it in the comment section or the description. Otherwise, that's been it. Do subscribe to the channel for more content like this. Leave a like and share the video if it helped you. Do let me know any other new songs. I repeat, new songs that you need me to do for y'all. Peace.